Hi again, my name is Chris Jenkins. I'm with Real Estate Mortgage Network. We're a direct lender with just under $2 billion in our own servicing portfolio. This week I wanted to talk to you about tightening underwriting standards, or better yet, the myth that underwriting standards are tightening. Actually, they're loosening a little bit over the last several months. This week I was struck by an article in Housing Wire that showed 2/3 of the realtors who were polled believed that tightening underwriting standards were mostly to blame for the lack of a housing recovery. And it's no wonder why that people believe underwriting standards continue to tighten, with headlines from the Federal Reserve setting their own minimum standards to other news organizations and other media and press about tightening underwriting standards. It's no wonder that people believe it's harder and harder to get a mortgage. Yes, gone are the days where you could have a stated income for somebody who was a salaried employee and had a credit score of 550. Those days are gone. However, qualified buyers are getting mortgages. People who can show the willingness and the ability to repay a mortgage are getting mortgages. It's just the opposite. Underwriting standards are loosening a little bit. Okay? Buyers who can demonstrate this are getting mortgages. You know, the four basic parts of a mortgage: credit, income, assets, and the collateral, the house. Those parts, you know, credit scores. Hey, credit scores down to 600. You know, and if you're at 575, 580, hey, we can help you out to get that credit score up to 600. Income. Hey, you need a job. Okay? Income, though, which debt-to-income ratios are still getting approved at 45, 48%. Hey, even 50%. If you're over 50%, you're probably buying too much house. Assets. Hey, I know a lot of realtors and a lot of buyers are shy on the amount of money needed for down payment and closing, but there's assistance programs out there. There's Maryland Mortgage Program, CDA, My Home project for PG County. You know, you still can get a gift. You know, hey, VA loans are still 100%. Buyer doesn't need any cash. All right. Last part of that basic part of the loan is the collateral, the house, the appraisal. Hey, if you're having problems with the house and the repairs or getting the appraisal, talk to me about a 203K mortgage. They're not as difficult as people are led to believe. All right. In fact, you can get some fantastic deals using 203K loan. All right. Hey, buyers are getting houses. Qualified buyers are getting houses. Qualified buyers are getting mortgages. It's a myth that underwriting standards continue to tighten. In fact, they've loosened. Hey, contact me at any of the various ways at the end of this video if you're having trouble or you believe that tightening underwriting standards are to blame for your loan situation. Okay? Hey, have a great weekend. Talk to you soon.